Hello everyone, it's me the Wolf again, and I'm today back with another quick video on crypto analysis and main analysis on Bitcoin and Ethereum and what is happening in the crypto world. Well, it is quite pumping for the Bitcoin price, and will it continue to pump like this? Because according to my analysis, Bitcoin will dump to $29,000 or $30,000 again, once again. After that we can see a huge pump again, and then it can go to the $48,000 or $50,000 level. And also guys, happy belated Diwali to all of my subscribers there. I hope you are doing fantastic in your life and in also your trading journey as well, and I wish everyone a success in the trading. So keep working hard guys. So I just landed on the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart, and the first and most important thing I want to talk about is this incessant pump to the upside. As you can clearly see, literally it's a parabolic pump to the upside without any major correction or a dump to the downside. We can clearly see a continuous pump breaking the most important level here, the $30,000 level, the $36,000 level actually, this here. And right now, as we can clearly see, price is a little bit consolidating and kind of giving a retest on the daily time frame, but I'm still not sure of it. Okay, so let me get straight to the point on what's my analysis for today. And see guys, it's not about in one video I will be bullish and one video I will be bearish. I'm not like that. I will tell you the most important analysis and the important levels to take trade on, and then we can trade accordingly. Of course, you will also do your own analysis as well, then only trade with proper risk and money management. But that's how I trade. I don't make one video dedicating the bullishness of a price and price will go up, and then second a bearish. Of course, the price will go any either ways, either to upside or downside. And then I'll not make a video that perfect analysis. No, I will take a trade live with you guys, share it full, give my 100% in that trade, and will exit the trade also in front of you guys. If you're watching my previous video, you all know that. So I'm on the Bitcoin's weekly time frame right now, and as you can clearly see, I just want you to look at this support zone here for the Bitcoin price. We can clearly see the low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then now a new higher high has been made. So there are chances that for the price it can come to the downside again for a higher low, which is approx this zone right here at approx, I can say, from 30,000 to 29,000. And why I'm saying this, see, last time this happened was here at we can say 4th of January 2021. The price of Bitcoin broke this purple zone to the upside incessantly, and then it came back to the downside with a retest here. As we can clearly see, a retest, and then it went up. Same here also, it made a very good support and then went up. So this purple zone is a very important zone. I will tell you, from 32,300 approx to $30,400. This is a very important zone, and the price has broke it to the upside without any retest or any confirmation. So there are chances that the price can reverse from here to the downside, can come to this support zone, or we can say the demand zone, and also this level here. Either it can leave behind a wick like this, or it can form some candles here consolidating, and then it can go to the upside or maybe downside. That we'll see, but according to me, there are a lot of chances that the price can come to the downside too. And also guys, I hope you remember our Stellar's trade, and I booked $21,000 in profits. So the next trade I will be taking either on Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other thing or any other asset, I would say, I will use $10,000 of mine in that trade, and that will be from my profits. So you see, I have $20,000 in profits, but still I'm using the $10,000 from my profit, because if I occur in a loss also and if my stop loss gets hit, the max to max loss I can occur is $5,000 to $6,000 easily without anything. So this is how you want to trade and do money management and risk management, so that if I occur in a loss, still my profit is only one, my initial capital is still with me only. So I hope you learn something from it and it's beneficial for you in the future terms. Right now, as you can clearly see in the thumbnail, you saw a picture of this main resistance and this main support right here. Well, this is kind of a ascending triangle forming right here, which is a bullish pattern, but we'll wait for a breakout to the upside then only, because this can also break to the downside too. So what is happening right now is this yellow zone is a very important resistance right now for Ethereum's price, and above it this purple zone, I can say it is a minor zone of resistance. So let me show you from where to where exactly. From 1920, I would say, yeah, to 1970 approx is this main yellow zone, so you can mark it. And this minor zone, I would say, is from 2160 to this one zone till the yellow zone right here. So right now I would say ignore these zone, this purple zone and this, ignore these. Okay, the most important thing here is this yellow support trend line right here, and also this white trend line. I hope you can see this one right here. Wait, let me, like this. So what is right now happening is, many people will get trapped in the future assuming that this is a ascending triangle and these are always bullish patterns, so we will take a long from here as soon as this gives a breakout. But no, this will not happen like this, because there is a resistance of this trend line also. So if we consider this and this, so we can clearly see it is a kind of a rising wedge pattern also forming, and which is a bearish pattern. So don't get confused now. What I will do is, see, the price when breaks this purple zone to the upside, it will face a rejection from this white trend line and can come down. So when the price comes down for a retest, if it sustains this level to the upside, then we can go long. But what I am thinking is, the price can go to this white trend line and then get a heavy rejection and can result in entering this purple zone again. This is what I am thinking, and it can result in a fake out of Ethereum's breakout that can trap all the traders. So just have a look at this trend line and this both, and do not get trapped here. Do not FOMO, always wait for perfect retest to enter. For today's video, I hope you understand what I'm trying to say for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Both are slightly different, but mainly they are correlated only. So I am right now for the shorter term bearish on Bitcoin, and I am expecting a retest till $29,000 and $30,000 level. And for the Ethereum's price, I am, you can say, a little bit cautious, because it can give some fake outs in the future as well, and I will only enter with a perfect confirmation. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you want to trade any crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, anything, you can do that on Bybit. Get ready guys, create an account on Bybit for free, and you can get up to $30,000 gift. Link is at the top of the description and in the comment box. And yeah, this is it. Do create an account on Bybit, and see you guys next time.